Hey Maximizers, and welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. I'm a money savings coach and I'm here to help you, yes you, save and make money to live the life that you love. Y'all, it's the end of the year. I'm taking a bunch of time off. Me and Bay are getting ready for our fabulous crabby Christmas, right? And just like 2 weeks of just like fun, rest and chilling, because that's our idea of fun right now after the crazy year we've had. And we went to BJ's, and I'll link my BJ's haul up here. Go check it out. And we went to Walmart. So my mother gifted me $50 for groceries. So shout out to my mother. And I did a grocery pickup. And then also we went to Walmart to get like the other things that we needed to get us through the end of the year. And some things stocked up for a few months. And then some other things just to get us through January. I said this in my BJ's video, but I spent more money than I usually spend. Simply because, I'm being honest with you guys, I got my first 5-figure brand deal after 13 years of couponing and 3 hard years building my brand on YouTube. And we got the first payment. And it felt so good to just walk into the store. And we got everything that we needed, but we also got some things that we wanted to get. I stocked up and bought a little bit more than what I would usually buy just because we had the extra money, y'all. I have worked my butt off for this brand deal, so I had to like release the guilt of like, you shouldn't be spending this much money. I spend 90% of my life, my time being so intentional, and then that 10% where I can just like ball out, for lack of better terms, I did. I also didn't show that I bought like 3 bottles of champagne because me and they have a lot of things to celebrate. And we did not celebrate them, like moving into our new house, celebrating the brand deal, and then also celebrating something else that we've been waiting for like closure on for like 8 months. We have 3 major things to celebrate, so we got 3 bottles of champagne to celebrate that. And that was a couple $100s, but we deserve to celebrate. We've worked so hard. So I'm saying all that to say, this is a bigger than usual Walmart haul, and your girl spent more money, and there's probably only like $3 in Ibotta rebates, and I don't even care because we're going to have a happy Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. We're going to be fat, fed. We're not going to be eating out. The only other thing we have left to buy is our crab legs and some more shrimp for our crabby Christmas. But we're going to be in this house for 2 weeks eating real good. So let me show you what we got from Walmart, and make sure you go check out my BJ's haul that was posted recently. So let's dig right on in. All right, let's start over here. We've been eating fresh pineapples, and they're great. Me and Bay are going to be making pina coladas with fresh pineapples. I bought rum, pineapple mix, Malibu. So make sure you go check out the BJ's haul because that's where I show my alcohol haul too. Bay likes these Oscar Mayer hot dogs, so we got him 2 packs of Oscar Mayer hot dogs. We got 18 counts of eggs, but 2 of them, so 36 total. We got a green pepper, another thing of yogurt because I like to put my yogurt inside of my smoothies. Bay got this to clean his grill. We also got sour cream because we bought taco kits at BJ's, and I love sour cream. And there is a $1 Ibotta rebate, so this is going to come out to like 77 cents. I was trying to find the small one that you could get basically for free, but my Walmart was out, so I got the bigger one, and I needed sour cream, so I just upgraded. I treated myself to this marshmallow cream. I will literally take a spoon, dip it in, and eat it. I used to do that when I was a kid, and starting on January 2nd, I'm going back on like healthy eating, so I said, ball out, eat everything that I want to eat. Not pictured here is 2 containers of ice cream that I put in the freezer because yeah, we eating real good until the new year. We got new packs of all-purpose flour and sugar. Haven't bought those since I moved to Florida, so we just needed to restock. Bay got this giant thing of pickles. Also, don't judge me. I know I probably could have got these cheaper with coupons, but I have not been getting Febreze coupons. So we got 2 of these guava and vanilla wax melts because Bay loves them. And then we got 1 of the Gain Originals. 2 things of alcohol. We need to re-up our alcohol supply. We needed to re-up our toothpick supply. So we got this. I got 2 of the 4 packs of black pens. I go through these pens like crazy. I like to have one in every room. And mine seem to die fast because I use them. I write so much. So I got 2 packs of these. I told you my mother bought me groceries, so I did a grocery pickup, and I forgot and didn't look. This was me not being intentional, and I'm like, we need milk. So now we have 2 half gallons of milk. So lots of chocolate milk and cookies and milk coming your way because we need to use this up. Seasonal. We have been out of seasonal. We cannot find it anywhere. We had to go to like this Walmart far away from our house. So I said, baby, get 2 seasonals, okay? Simply Cranberry cocktail. Bay uses this for his smoothies. We also got some more seasoning. He got this Italian herb seasoning grinder, and he also got the roasted garlic herb grill mates. I grabbed another tropical punch because I love it. We love popcorn, so we got a big old box of Act 2 Extreme Butter, and we also add extra butter because we're terrible. I got more shrimp ramen noodles for Kinsley, Simply lemonade, and we also got Simply orange juice. Bay got his jalapenos, got some brownies for your girl Kinsley. And then we love this Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce. And this is what I mean by like a splurge. Usually we'd buy one, but we bought 4 bottles of barbecue sauce because why? We're going to use it and we want it. So we got the sweet and spicy, the original Jack Daniel's, and the honey. And then we decided to support a black owned business and we got the Stubbs. I've heard about this for years and never tried it. So we grabbed an original to try it to see if we like it before we try the other flavors. Bay is bougie, so he got his unfiltered extra virgin olive oil. It's cold pressed, so y'all know it's nice. We got this odor band because we got pets to clean up the floor. I grabbed us some more Crisco vegetable oil because we're low on vegetable oil. We got lighter fluid because we bought the charcoal that needs a lighter fluid, so that's what we got. I'm obsessed with these sausages, so I literally ended up with 4 packs. I bought 1 pack with my mother's grocery order, and then when we went to Walmart, I bought 3 packs. I love them so much. I could eat them every day. We got Johnsonville brown sugar honey sausages for breakfast, even though we'll eat the spicy ones for breakfast too. Me and Bae don't discriminate. Lighters for the grill, a 2-pack. I bought fresh of these straws because I have 2 packs of them, but I've been using those ones for like 2 years. So I bought a fresh pack as well as a new cleaner thing. And then this is new. They've never had caps before, and I'm excited for that so stuff doesn't get in your straw. And then these little caps have already came with it. I am doing something new for my business, and I'm actually putting the stuff in a binder. I bought 2 folders, and I'm not loving it. So I ordered a binder from Target, and then I have these dividers with the pockets that I prefer. Call in maximizers, and I want to keep track of them. I have like little intake forms. I wanted a binder, so I got that for business. We got honey roasted turkey breasts. We got honey ham. A big old thing of I can't believe it's not butter. I did get some at BJ's too, but I got double the amount for like the same price at BJ's. So we got a lot of butter, so it's gonna last us a while. 4-hour chili. We got mild cheddar Fritos. I got that from Walmart. Well, duh, this is Walmart. 2 cans of chunk pineapples because I told y'all with the fresh pineapples we're making pina coladas. I got fresh pineapples, canned pineapples, and frozen pineapples. Tell me your girl's ready for pina colada. So here's pineapple chunks. I bought 2 bags of just pineapple chunks because we got a lot of pina colada mix and a lot of liquor to use. I bought strawberry banana fruit because it's my favorite. I also got mixed fruit, which pineapple, strawberry, peaches, and mangoes. And then Bae likes the triple berry fruit, so that's what he got. So that's everything on the counter. And now I have some pet items that is not on the counter. So let me show you what we got for the cat, Orlando. Fresh pack of kitty litter, y'all. This works so good, and it used to be over $10 and now it's only $8 at Walmart. So this is like the Walmart special kitty brand. He needed more food, so I got him chicken and turkey complete nutrition special kitty. He's a fat cat. He usually eats whatever, so no worries there. I bought him a fresh litter mat because he needs a new one, and then I bought him a fresh litter box because right now his litter box is in our laundry room, and we're finally getting the washing machine and dryer. So I'm like, you need a closed-in litter box like you used to have. Bae's convinced he won't fit in there because he's too fat, but I think he'll fit in there. So that's what we got for the cat. All right, so now for the grand total. My mom spent $50 on groceries for me. Shout out to my mother. And we literally spent subtotal $255 on everything that we got from Walmart plus tax. So altogether, this is $300 worth of Walmart food plus some ice cream that's in the freezer. So that's everything. So I want you to let me know down in the comments how your end of the year shopping is going. I will not be doing any more couponing. By the time you guys watch this video, there'll be a bunch of videos up. I will be doing the best of like CVS and Walgreens. So those will be up on my channel in just a couple of days. And also, again, go check out my BJ's haul. So if you enjoyed this, let me know down in the comments. And also, if you have questions, you can drop those. I hope y'all get some rest. Enjoy some family time. If you're interested in working with me, I'll be doing calls starting up again in the beginning of January. And we're also doing a Save $100 in 3 days challenge. So in the description box, there's going to be a link for you to book a call with me, a link for you to check out the challenge. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know how your grocery hauls are going. I want to thank you guys so much for your love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay safe out there as you are shopping. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.